Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothandeni esikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisisupport njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla.
Black people who have voted for the DA are not in control of the DA. The DA is controlled by a small clique of white people who sit in Cape Town. They are the ones who plot the direction of the party, including how to fashion propaganda that will make people believe that the DA is a diverse party. In the first place, if you want to check, go back. When the DA was formed, the white people who formed it didn't invite black people to the room. Remember? There was the DP, there was a federal party, there was the national party. They did not invite black people when they formed the DA. Why? Because they didn't want black people to be there to spoil their party. So from the beginning, there was no illusion about it that the DA is a white party.
Levike liphelile, I think it was Saturday. Liam Jacobs usuke from kwi-DA, beka member of parliament kwi-DA. Wayojoyina EPA, Patriotic Alliance. Mina ngikimbuza bese sibuza wona, kodwa ngiyenzile ivideo echazayo kabanzi ukuthi lo muntu njengekhaladi kungani eshile iDA despite ukuthi bebemdeploy eParliament wayojoyina EPA. Ngikuchazile lokho, ngafaka namavideo ukusupporta lento ebengiyikhuluma. Angeke ke sisabuyela lapho, kodwa ubeka nomunye live futhi awenzile kanye noGayton Mackenzie yena. Lapho bebekhuluma khona ngento ezenzekile, ezinye zezinto ezenza ukuthi abone ukuthi akemukelekile ku-DA. Uma ke ngifuna enye information ngizithela phe kwale video engiqale ngayo kaPrince Mashele. Prince Mashele ukhuluma izinto eziningi lapha mawuyilalela kahle le video, kodwa okuqamile ukuthi kune-propaganda, kune-narrative ephushwayo as if i-DA it's a diverse party. But eqinisweni lilonke, i-DA i-political party emele abamhlophe, specifically abangabelungu namabhunu mhlawumbe, kodwa abamhlophe. Uma uyiNdiya, umnyama, uyikhaladi, hayi. Nolapho nje ukugcwalisa isibalo. Kahle kahle i-DA ayinendaba nawe. Nje ungabheka nje Cape Town, i-Cape Town ayinama potholes, i-better than iJoburg, i-better than iDurban. Ayinama pothole, ama traffic light wakhona ayasebenza, i-CBD yakhona nje idorobha le-right the Cape Town. Kodwa uma uphuma edorobheni uya koNyanga, uya koGugulethu, uya koKhayelisha, ngoba lapho kuhlala abantu abamnyama khona, i-DA neglectile le ndawo. I-DA kuyaphatha iTshwane. iTshwane iqala ukuba ngcono manje ngoba sekuphethe uDr Nasiphi Moya we-Action SA owumeya khona. Iqala ukuba ngcono, uyasebenza lo yameya, kufanelanga sidla amandla omuntu. Uyasebenza lo yameya, uyasebenza. Ngizocaphuna ke uLiam le, kodwa ngaphambi ngicaphune yena. Ikhona umunye umholi wakwakhuluma kanje nge-DA.
Ngitshela into esenayikhohle. Kunombutho lokuthiwa i-DA. I-DA ingane ye-National Party. Senikhohliwe. Ngoba ngiyangibona abantu abamnyama sebeyijoyina nje. Ile party yayisicindezele. Ngidabuke ngibona izingane sesikhuluma isingisi esikhulu lapha. DA will do XYZ. Hayi.
Mazolo lokhu bese sikhala ngabantu abasebenza ukuthi sizinkawu. I-racism. Ucabanga ukuthi labo bantu uma uthi umholi wabo bakuthatha serious. Withoyisi nje basebenza ngawo ispanel. Bahambe bevula ngawo. Nawe usukhoshile uthi umholi. Maye babo. Kulele kunye ukuba kubili ngabe kuyavusana.
Njengomuzwa ke la u-former president we-country ekhuluma ngodaba lwe-DA. Usho na into efanayo ukuthi i-DA ingane ye-National Party. I-National Party ke siyazi ukuthi ile yayicindezele la, eyayiphusha i-apartheid. Asidlulele phambili ke siye kudabeni lika Liam lo osejoyine i-EPA achaza ukuthi yini le eyenzeka yamenza wazibona ukuthi ku-DA akamukelekile.
But I get told this, and I want you. It's by a minister. Now you must remember, myself, I have an honors degree. At that point, I was in politics for 7 years, and I get told by somebody that has just a matric, who is a trust fund baby also. I get told, we are so happy here to be where we are, because in the DA we don't do representativity, we do merit.
Yo. What?
By somebody who didn't even step foot inside of a university.
He tells you that.
I was told of merit. And for me, this is
What
why it's
question did
important.
you ask?
I asked, why is there no colored representativity in the GNU?
Oh, no deputy minister, no.
Nothing
no
from the
minister.
DA.
Yes,
Nothing.
I know.
And then, and this isn't to say just life experience, because life experience can also play, and business experience, it plays a big part. But to get told that, it's almost as if you are directly telling me, no, you can have whatever as a colored person, but it won't be enough here. We are measuring each other on different standards. We are measuring each other in different ways. En hy goed maak 'n mens bias hier.
Ayi ibhlungu lento mawuyizwa, especially njengoba esho ukuthi yena une-honors degree. Umuntu omphethe umuntu olid iqembu manje uJohn Steenhuisen uBas John unometric kuphela. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi umbuzo nje wake wavela kulezo nsuku lesikhathi uPapa Penny uPrince Mashela ayibiza uPapa Penny ngesilima ngoba engafundile. Yake yavela inkulumo nje ivezwa udaba lokuthi uDeputy Minister wePublic Works okusihlezi kalala une-masters degree angazi kumuphi umkhakha. Kodwa umuntu owuminister ophethe usihlezi kalala unometric kuphela. Lo minister lo wakhuluma nosisi lo abathi uThidi mangenza iphutha lo we-Eyewitness News. Ekukhulumeni kwakhe na wakhuluma kanje.
Your sense of what needs to happen. I mean, it was the DA's chief whip, I think George, what's his last name?
Michaelakis.
Michaelakis, saying Sihle must get over, Sihle Zikalala must get over it. You know, at the time he said it's been 6 months already. Yes, it sucks to lose your job to somebody else and somebody with lesser qualifications, I suppose. But like, get over it. But even that suggested that those tensions remain a big part of what goes sour, what goes wrong in trying to have a cohesive ministry functioning.
It's difficult, Siri, and in some respect, I have sympathy for him because, you know, I mean, I understand that he's a senior member of the ANC. You know, he used to be the premier of a province. He was unceremoniously removed from that by Duma. You know, the reality are there are other ministers that don't have degrees, or, you know, having a qualification is not a proxy for success. If that was the case, then South Africa would be at a very different place, but it's not. And so my approach has been right at the very beginning to say I understand it's difficult. I will do everything that I can to make it easier, and I genuinely have and continue to try to. And you know, but I'm also not going to be held accountable and responsible for the actions of other people, what they determine or what they want to say in public. I'm not his boss. It doesn't work like that in government. A minister is not a deputy minister's boss. I cannot tell him what to do or what to say or what not to say.
Uthi Minister Laudina McPherson, uthi having a qualification is not a proxy for success. Uthi if bekunjalo, South Africa ngabi ngenye into. So ngicabanga ukuthi ezinye zezinto lezo ukuthi abantu ababekwa ngoba be-qualified. Kodwa ku-DA ngiyasola. Sengithathele enkulumeni eshuwo uLiam ukuthi ku-DA lapha yana kuthathwa ngoba umhlophe, ngoba umlungu, bese ubhekela iposition le ezokwenza ukuthi akubheke ukuthi unayiphi qualification, ngoba ekugcineni kosuku ba representa abelungu. Iyona nje into abayirepresentayo. Ngizwile ukuthi nogogo uZila uzongenela ufuna ukuba umeya wase Johannesburg. Kodwa ke lokho kulele kubantu ukuthi abantu babhekisise, yebo iCape Town balilungisile iCape Town since berani eCape Town. Kodwa abantu ufuna bakuqaphele ukuthi indawo zakonyanga, Gugulethu, Khayelisha, abantu abamnyama basahlala emkhukhwini. Abantu abamnyama abanayo imigwaqo, abantu abamnyama abanawo amanzi. Kodwa yebo balungisile, kodwa afuna sibheke ukuthi balungise kuphi. Imiphi imiphakathi abayikhathalele? Angisho lutho mina, kodwa ngithi kubantu asivoteni. Singamane sifake, kodwa ke eqinisweni lilonke kunokuthi kuphathi ANC kube yimeya ye-ANC ephethe eJohannesburg, singamane sivotelene uGoguzile. Funa ukusho njalo kubantu bakithi ukuthi yebo bona bayabheda babanaka abantu abamnyama, kodwa kunokuthi kungathiwa kubuya imeya ye-ANC, hayi bantu bakithi singamane sifake uGoguzile eJohannesburg. I-Action SA uziprovile uDr Nasiphi Moya ngeThwane. Singayinika nayo ithuba mangabe sibona ukuthi amanye ama-political party awenzi kahle. Khona EFF, bakhona MK, bakhona yini konje Rise Mzansi. Yenzani konje Rise Mzansi? Iyake yakhuluma ini kuphi? Hayi angazi, angingakhulumi ngayo. Xose yami akusekho kuyixeka. Cha, bengithi angikulethele le video ngoba ngiyibona interesting kakhulu. Yafakazela lento esasikhulume ngayo ngokwedlule ukuthi iDA ayibakhathalele amakhaladi. Ngoba phela indawo yabo idominate amakhaladi, abantu abamnyama nabelungu. Abantu abamnyama bahlala koGugulethu, amakhaladi ahlala ko-High Flats ababakhathalele. Kunzima yini Cape Flats, High Flats somewhere lapho. Kunzima lapho abantu bayabulalana namagenge nayo yonke into. Abayingeni ngoba babakhathalele. Abantu ababakhathalele ngabelungu bakubo. Kodwa uPrince Mashel usichazele isizathu sokuthi kungani. Ngale kwalokho mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyacela ukuthi usisupport kwi-channel ngokuthi ujoin i-membership noma ungasidonatela noma ngabalini nayo ikhona i-account kwi-comment ephiniwe. Mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.